they've leaned on. There's no doubt about that. It's been Hagan.
Now for Chris Carson, and all Jaquinda Jackson can do is watch. Carson has to get him downfield in a hurry. Quick pass is Swabian Persley. North Shore more than happy to relinquish that and keep the clock moving.
On the field play, exactly right, Craig. That clock is continuing to move.
Carson hit from behind, brought down by Matthew Roberts.
Yeah, good little edge rush that time by Roberts. Gets around the offensive tackle and just continues the process here. So he's going to be moving here and getting to the backside. So good job this time by getting in there, watch the arm over, and give the close to the quarterback.
A lot of time going off the clock here for this third down play for Duncanville. Down. Ball loose. It did come out, but Duncanville back on it. Carson lost it. Cameron Williams, the right tackle, made the recovery. The loss of 5, and Duncanville still not calling timeout. I'm down to 4th down here.
Well, he's just going to lose his footing right here as he tries to slow down. Actually, just trips. The ball comes out of his hands. I'm not sure it was down. Good job by the offensive lineman of getting on top of it. The ball is definitely a fumble.
Williams recovered. Duncanville calls a timeout with 1:25 to go, but now they're facing 4th down and 13.
Yeah, exactly right, Craig. This is a tough situation for the Panthers. Tigers, rather.
Well, the Panthers backed up now with North Shore putting the clamps down on them. Duncanville using the timeout. Panthers have 1 remaining. North Shore, the defending state champs, have dominated their opponents in the postseason in their road to Arlington. You see it there.